Hello, this is Huskins, your Forex mentor. I wanted to go about uh, exhibiting how I traded the non-farm employment change, and I'd like to even add what should have I done differently. But let's just get started. So the idea was not to trade between 8:30 a.m. and 9, and I had to draw the US dollar index, and after 9 o'clock trade the 21 SMA crossover. So if it's a close below the 21 SMA, I'd go about selling it. If it closes above the 21 SMA after 9 o'clock, I'll be buying the US dollars. That means selling the GBP USD. Let me just uh, pull up the chart. Now, this is the US dollar chart. US dollar chart. Uh, the news is out. US dollar goes up, 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 and we don't do anything till 9 o'clock. So now after nine, I'm waiting for the price to close below the 21 SMA, and we waiting, 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 and nothing happens till this particular price. Now, this may be considered a close, may not be considered a close, but I looked at what the price was doing on the 21, the same thing on the GBP USD. So I thought that the price already closed above the 21 SMA, and I went in long from here. So now I'm long from 1.5519. That's where I'm long from. Okay, and my stop is below these lows. Okay, so my I have a 20 pip stop. Now, though the stop is not exactly below the lows on the GBP USD, I'll explain to you where exactly is the stop. But let's just carry forward on this train. So the first mistake I committed was that um, I did not allow my trade plan to properly function. This is not a real crossover because the GBP USD should have closed below the 21 SMA. This was merely touching it. It's this not like a close below the SMA. But I was eager that in case the market starts going up, so I bought into the GBP USD because it had already closed above the GBP USD's 21 SMA. Let's see what happened. The market turned around and stopped me out. Now, when I said it wasn't exactly a 20 pip stop because I wasn't going to base my trade on the close or the movement below the GBP USD low. What I was going to base it off is the US dollar movement. So when the US dollar index when the US dollar index closed above its 20 its high, that means it gave me an indication to close out of my trade on my GBP USD, which I did at a 20 pip loss. So I've already gone at a 20 pip loss, but I wanted to show you uh, how I'm not very happy with this trade. I take losses in my stride, but I don't like to take losses on a well-made, well-thought-of plan. And just because I failed to, I just was a bit too eager to get into the market. So that's something which I personally do not like. But well, a loss is a loss. So this will be registered as a 20 pip loss. But anyway, um, now technically, we've not got a good close below the 21 SMA, so the trade is still valid. And then the market continues to go up, and let's see what happens. The market continues to go up, and finally now we have a close below. So now if I'd gone short from here, then it would make sense. because now we have a close below the 21 SMA. Now this is a decent close below. So now if I would have sold the or bought the GBP USD at you know 1.5479, it would make completely sense. That means I'm following the trade plan. I did not take up this trade again because I tend to shut off my books after my trade. But instead of the first trade, I this trade would have made more sense. Though I might not have even taken this trade because it would be too late during the day. In any case, if this price action had happened a bit sooner, this would have made a good a good trade according to the trade plan itself. Now I am if we had gone long from here, uh, the market goes against us and then now would go in our favor. So we'd end up, instead of a 20 pip loss, we'd end up close to about a 10 to 11 pip gain for the end of the day. So basically my account shows would have been 30 pips better than what it is. So, in short, I've learned a lesson. I hope you have to. Even after 10 years of experience, I do commit mistakes. I'm human, and I need to learn from my own mistakes. And I just thought I'd share that with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and have a wonderful weekend.